of Pottinger's class? I wasn't very enthusiastic. Okay. 3.3 equivalent fractions. Can you find equivalent fractions?
Yes.
A fraction lives where? Between 0 and 1. Okay, we need everybody though, right? Between 0 and 1. What is the top number of a fraction called? What's the bottom number of a fraction called? What is the name of this thing right here that splits the numerator and denominator? Fraction bar, good. Equivalent fractions would be two fractions that are the exact same, but they look a little different. So here's a pizza. Is this pizza the same as this pizza?
Yes.
How much of this pizza am I eating? How much of this pizza am I eating?
2/4.
But is 1/2 and 2/4 the same thing?
Yes.
Reduce. Make an equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by a common factor. Simplify. Make an equivalent fraction by dividing the numerator and denominator by a common factor. Are those the exact same definitions?
Yes.
So are reduce and simplify the exact same thing?
Yes.
They mean the same thing? Yes or no?
Yes.
Finding equivalent fractions by reducing. Okay, here we go. 3/9. Here's my fraction, yes?
Yes.
Do 3 and 9 have a common factor?
Yes.
What goes into 3 and 9?
3.
Does 1?
Yes.
Yeah, but 1 doesn't do anything for us, does it? But 3 definitely does. So if I divide the numerator and the denominator by 3, what's 3 divided by 3?
1.
What's 9 divided by 3?
3.
So is 1/3 an equivalent fraction for 3/9?
Yes.
Are they the exact same?
Yes.
Why, or in this situation, we actually did it two different ways. We still got 2/3, right?
Yes.
But this one we only divided one time because what did we use? What did we use, everybody? We used the greatest common factor. We found, using our smiley face method, we found 6 to be the greatest common factor of our numerator and of our denominator, right?
Yes.
But we also knew 12 and 18 were even numbers, right?
Yes.
And what number always goes into even numbers?
2.
But when I used 2 to simplify or reduce, I still had 6/9. Do 6 and 9 have common factors?
Yes.
So do I need to keep reducing until I get to lowest terms?
Yes.
Can you find equivalent fractions by using the opposite of division?
Yes.
What is the opposite of division?
Multiplication.
So again, I take the fraction 3/9. We already reduced that by dividing, right?
Yes.
I can multiply 3/9 by any number ever, and I'm going to get an equivalent fraction, right?
Yes.
The only thing is, I need to multiply the top part of the fraction and the bottom part of the fraction by that exact same number, yes?
Yes.
So if I choose 3, you got to do the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. If I choose 2, numerator by 2, denominator by 2. If I choose 1,000, you got to multiply the numerator by
1,000.
and the denominator by.
1,000.
We good?